Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial of Cisco Packet Tracer, and for this video we will be learning about static routing. We are now at layer 3 of network topology. So now, as you can see on your screen, we are now connecting the different routers, R1 to R2, R1 to R3, and R1 to R4 using the wire called serial DT. Okay, and now we're going to configure the router one by one. As we have already configured the router before for the on how to connect it to a switch, but now we're going to configure how to connect it to another router. So now get the port number, which is S010, and get the IP address, and we're going to connect it. So the IP address is 10.044.6.8.1 255.255.255.0. Then remember to always turn it on and use the command no shut. Okay, let's go to another port, interface S011, and let's put the IP address 10.44.9.1 255.255.255.0. No shut as command, meaning no shut, meaning no shutdown. It's one of the easiest ways to write the command. Exit. Let's go to another port. S020. Let's put the IP address again, 10.44.10.1. Then the subnet mask is again 255.255.255.0. Okay, along with this is just the setting up of how the route of connecting the routers between another router. But one thing that we're going to set up is that we haven't set up or we haven't started is what they call the static route. And as you can see right now, I have already set up the IP addresses on the other end in advance for other routers. Now, let's start the static route of this network topology. So I've already provided the IP addresses in the small part so that it's easier to look up to. So for the formula of the command IP route, network address, subnet mask, and the next hop IP. So let's use the as an example, IP route 10.44.0.0. That is VLAN 2 network mask, network address. Then the hop address would be then 10.44.1.0. then the hop address would be the same. The hop address is always the address where the other end of that wire is. For example, R1 is connected to R4. That's where VLAN 2 and VLAN 3 is located. So the hop address would be from the connection of R4 to R1. And now we're also configuring the other IP routes for the other VLANs that we have in the network topology. So for the next, and for many of the IP routes, you would see that on the other routers, I've already configured the IP routes for the other routers in advance. I've only shown you one, but it was from R1. And that's all. Thank you.